Today we're subtracting polynomials, which is almost as easy as adding polynomials, but we cannot just get rid of the parentheses. It's not quite that straightforward. It's close, but not quite. And this goes back to, again, something way back in the beginning of the year that we discussed, and that was distributing a negative sign. So, what's going on here? Well, on all these problems, the first set of parentheses are exactly what they appear to be. So n to the third minus n and plus 4n to the second. Absolutely. But in the second group, because it's a negative sign in front, that negative sign says, hey, everybody in that group is lying to you about what they are. Whatever they're pretending to be, they're actually the opposite. So in those parentheses, 6n is pretending to be positive. But because of the negative sign in front of the parentheses, when we rewrite this problem, and we do have to rewrite these ones, no getting around this, we have to make sure we say that it is negative 6n. And that 3n to the second, that is pretending in the parentheses to be negative, is actually positive. And the 8 that is in the parentheses, pretending to be positive, is negative. The only thing that's different when we have a subtraction symbol, a negative sign in between the parentheses, is that we must distribute it to everybody in the second group, meaning we have to change all the signs in the second group. Once we do that, we're back to combining our like terms. So again, I'm going to do this distribution and everything first so I can use the black pen, and then I'll switch it back out for the purple and we'll do the combining like terms. So this first bit is the new bit. The first set of parentheses is not lying to you. It is exactly what it appears to be. The second set is deceiving you. That minus sign between the parentheses says you must change all of the signs in the second group. So the negative 9, CD to the second, is lying. It's positive. The positive 2 is lying. It's negative. And the negative 7CD is lying. It's positive. First group, telling the truth. It is x to the third plus 3x plus 1. Second group, not telling the truth. Everybody in this second group is pretending to be positive. They're all negative. It's negative 5x to the third, negative 2x, and negative 4. The first group does not lie to you. But the second group, thanks to the negative sign in front, does. So the 9m squared n is not negative. It's positive. The 7mn is not negative. It's positive. The 2 is not positive. It's negative. Now we're just combining like terms like we have been. So pause, combine them, come back and check your answers. I'm just going to underline and run through this very quickly because there's no real need, I think, at this point, for me to spend a lot of time elaborating on what I'm doing. You should be pretty comfortable with combining like terms. Ooh. Actually, there is an issue here. So I copied something incorrectly. This has a C on it that I completely missed. Broke one of my own commandments. I was not faithful to the original problem. Shame on me. Let's fix that up. Now it does have a partner. And negative 3 plus 9 is 6 CD squared. As you're listening to my dog bark while I do this, I will point out he thinks he's big and bad and the protector of all. He's actually a big baby. And any of you that have dogs know exactly what I'm talking about. He sounds vicious, but I'm pretty sure if somebody broke into my house, I would have to be the one to get rid of them because he would run and hide. But he barks a good game. So let me finish this up. While he continues to serenade you with the lovely sounds of his barking. And there you go. You can take a look and see the final answers for our subtraction problems.